अब ना मैं
Yeah.
एक्चुअली हर हफ्ते एक मंदिर जाता हूँ, नजर निकालता हूँ.
हाँ,
निकालता हूँ, क्या कहते हैं, नजर निकालता हूँ,
उतरवाता हूँ.
उतरवाता हूँ.
हाँ.
And it's made a big difference. I feel great. Like I
Yeah.
feel great on a physical and mental level.
I think I should take that tip.
Yeah. I think ये बहुत key practice होनी चाहिए
हाँ,
सबके लिए.
I think I
And
should take that tip.
the one thing I learned is actually ना वो नजर accumulation आपको अपनी physical body में feel होगी.
Ah.
Yeah, very important to like take. And you feel tired all the time. You'll sleep a lot, but you'll just be like very, very tired. All this starts happening. And I see it with so many people around me also.
Yeah.
I can, at this point, I'm almost able to look at someone and say, ah, there's too much nazar on this person. It's that same tired
You know,
energy.
Shamak Dawar said that to me once. Yeah.
So he said that to me last
As well?
year also. Yeah.
Okay.
He
saw me and said, you have a lot of nazar around you.
I met him at a very big event last year.
Okay.
That was the first time meeting him.
Okay.
And he looked at me very intensely and with a lot of pity. And it was a great phase of life that time. So I was like, why are you looking at me with pity, sir? But he said that, you just got to be careful about your back, your knee, and there's a lot of jealousy and nazar on you. I'm like, okay, sir. And a lot went wrong after that. So I need to meet Shamak Dawar again and just ask him how he has figured this zone of life, because
Yeah.
I think वो बहुत ज़्यादा intuitive है या I don't know, psychic है, I don't know what it is. Yeah, just experienced है.
Yeah. For people who are looking at this nazar conversation and thinking कि क्या बकवास कर रहे हैं, नहीं नज़र होती है. और
कि किसी भी मीडिया पर्सनालिटी को पूछ लो.
हाँ, हाँ. I have experienced it, huh? I've experienced, like, I remember once I came back from some shoot or something and I was feeling so low and I literally like this. And there was a maid, like a new maid who had come. She said, अरे एक मिनट मैं आपकी नज़र उतारती हूँ. और उसने वो जो फिटकरी होती है ना, वो फिटकरी से पता नहीं कुछ किया. And there was literally some key kind of a sound that came. And she was like, अरे बाप रे, इतनी गंदी नज़र लगी है. And within seconds, it was like I was fine. You know, वो जो मेरी आँखें ऐसी जो झुक रही थी, I was actually fine. So होती है, नज़र होती है.
Yeah. You had felt that nazar accumulating on you?
Yeah.
Like what?
If you're talking about the industry politics, if that's what you want to call nazar, तो हुआ है मेरे साथ. मतलब चीज़ें हुई है. Like I remember when Ishq Vishk released and around Mehuna, I think, Shahid and I, we had just won the Face of the Year that year, like Superstar of Tomorrow, some award like that. And hum backstage the, and there was a photo shoot which was planned for the cover, of that magazine. And I was seated with the award. Shahid was standing behind me with the award. There were two superstar actresses who were sitting on either sides, and there was another very, very famous actor and one actress, again very famous. That was the layout of the cover. And we were so happy and thrilled. और I was like, wow, मेरी पहली cover आएगी. जब मैंने cover देखा, it was all photoshopped and juxtapositioned, and मैं कहीं पीछे खड़ी थी और सेंटर में कोई और था. I was like, ये तो cover था ही नहीं. So ऐसी चीज़ें होती है, हुई है, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई भी होंगी जो मुझे पता भी नहीं चली होगी. But that's okay. I mean, पहले बहुत बुरा लगता था कि यार ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. But I think now I can say that politics is everywhere. Yeah. It's everywhere. It's in schools, it's in colleges, it's in your society meetings. So you just have to program yourself to deal with politics and not to,
Key life advice for anyone. ये जो आप कॉलेज में नहीं सीखोगे कि ह्यूमन डायनामिक्स को नेविगेट करना सीख लो बहुत जल्दी.
हाँ.
इसे ही स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट्स कहते हैं.
हाँ.
I think there's a level of street smarts and then there's a higher level of street smarts called navigating human politics.
Yeah. क्या होता है ना कि बाहर की दुनिया is always trying to put you down. Like I remember when I entered the industry, people used to say, oh, you're so thin. And they never said it like it's a compliment. I was like, isn't it a compliment? But they would never say it like a compliment. And I remember I had a conversation with my aunt once, and she said something so profound. She said, दुनिया के लिए आप हमेशा आप में कुछ कमी होगी. Because she said, I'll give you my own example. That's what my aunt said. She said there was a time when I was thin, people used to say, "Arey, kitni patli ho, kitni patli ho." Then I, put on weight, and they said, "Arey, you put on weight, you become fat or whatever. You put on weight." So my aunt always said ki there must have been a time in between the thin and the weight, put on weight, right? Where I was perfect. तभी किसी ने नहीं बोला कि वाह कितनी परफेक्ट दिख रही हो. सो दैट इज़ द रियल वर्ल्ड. इसीलिए मैं बोलती हूँ कि अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ एक अच्छा रिश्ता बनाओ. गेट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस in you because they will give you that confidence. Your family will give you that confidence कि दुनिया चाहे आपको जो भी बोले, you are the best. Yeah.
मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही थी इसी पॉडकास्ट पे.
Okay.
तो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट वाई आई एम अ कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन. जो मैं हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा सेल्फ बिलीफ है, और इट्स बिन देयर फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, सिंस चाइल्डहुड.
Okay.
तो माई मॉम सेड दैट व्हेन आई वाज अ किड शी प्रैक्टिस्ड इंस्टिलिंग कॉन्फिडेंस इन मी.
Okay.
क्योंकि उन्हें पता था कि दुनिया जिंदगी भर आप में होल्स पोक करती है.
Yes.
तो एक पेरेंट का जॉब ये है कि आपके ग्लास में इतना पानी भर दो कि अगर दुनिया बहुत सारे होल्स भी पोक करेगी तो पानी भरा ही रहेगा. सो इट्स ग्रेट मदरिंग दैट प्रोटेक्ट्स यू फ्रॉम अ मेंटल हेल्थ पर्सपेक्टिव इन लाइफ.
Wow.
आप ये सब सोचते हो?
हाँ बिल्कुल. I should have a conversation with your mom.
I think she's a gynecologist, so
Oh,
very
wow.
related to
Okay.
motherhood and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I consciously make an attempt to talk to Veer and tell him things like you're the best. If anyone says anything, laugh it off. I consciously have that conversation with him.
Would you want Veer to become an actor?
If you ask Anmol, he will say no. If you ask me, I will say I would let his destiny flow because I truly believe that he's come with some destiny. So I would let his destiny flow. I wouldn't want to influence him in any way. Ye mat karo or you. I would like, because see, nobody told me, right? As I was growing, जब मैंने देखा वो श्रीदेवी जी को और मैंने सोचा कि यार मैं भी ऐसे एक्टिंग कर सकती हूँ, मुझे किसी ने ये नहीं बोला कि ये करो या वो करो, So I would let him like have his own dream inside growing up.